Hello and welcome to the basic structure of essay writing. And what we're going to do in this set of slides is we're going to look at just the basics of writing your essay. So from the basics that you're probably already familiar with, we're going to just expand on them a little bit to go on to the sorts of things that you need to know when you're writing your essay. So to start with, let's just start with the real basic one you know of, the central structure, the hamburger. So when you think of essays, you usually think of this little beauty, this heart stopper. The introduction, body, and conclusion. Your top half is your introduction, your bun. Your body is your big slabs of meat and cheese. And then your conclusion is your bottom half of your bun. I do apologize to any vegetarians out there to start with. That's basically your structure for it. The bits and pieces that make up this section in the middle, the body part, and even the introduction as well, are often quite, I wouldn't say poorly done, but they are often not developed quite as well as they could be. And this is something that many of us, even those who have done essay writing for a long time, are not 100% sure about. And particularly when they're thinking about setting out their essay, they have to work out exactly if it is the correct structure, but also if it's making an effective argument. And that's mainly what you'll be trying to do when you're writing an essay. So yes, it's just like essays. You think of your hamburger, it's just like an essay. So what goes into it? We've got another meat metaphor to start with. You need to have an introduction, body, conclusion, but that's not enough. You need to also construct a reasoned argument. And what I mean by reasoned argument is it's not something that's reasonable. It's something where you have an argument with reasons behind it. Basically, what you're writing is you're writing something which is communicating your ideas, it's making an argument, it's being strong about what it is you're trying to prove, whatever the question's asking basically. You are essentially putting everything that you know together. Now the format works towards building that argument. So your introduction, body and conclusion is essentially a streamlined process in which you're constructing your argument. And the other thing you also should be thinking about doing is cutting out the fat. Cutting out the things which don't add to your argument whatsoever. So when you have a look at it, when you read it back to yourself, one of the things that you should find is that everything works towards the same goal, which is to answer the question, that nothing's there that shouldn't be there. Nothing's there that doesn't answer the question or goes on a bit of a tangent. It's all where it should be.